All right, in this second video, I'm going to explain very quickly what is Ollama. If you already have Ollama and you already know what models you want to run, etc., you can skip this video. So, assuming you don't know what Ollama is this tool that allows you to run LLMs locally in your machine. That means they run free. You don't need to worry about tokens, anything like that. What you need to worry about is just finding what is a good model to run, what is a good model your machine can run. It is very simple. You download this thing, you install it, and then you find a model. You can search here for models. There are a lot of models you can try, and you can Google around, right? What are good models for this or that? And then you pretty much run this a single command Ollama run, and you give the model you want to use. If the model is not there, it will download it. If the model is there, it will start a chat with it. So I encourage you to give it a try. So if you find the performance is not very good, it may be just you selected a model that is too powerful for your machine. But if you are making games in Godot, I would assume you have a machine that is able to run Llama 3.2 at least. And Llama 3.2 is very basic one. So this is like the overall idea. What this plugin does is it interacts with Ollama. Ollama kind of runs a server in your machine that accepts REST calls to interact with the models. So there is an Ollama API that is a REST API you can interact with, and pretty much the plugin what it's doing is doing this REST API calls for you to interact with Ollama. Last thing I want to cover on this video is what is this 1B, 3B thing? That is the billion of parameters the models have. Okay, so based on the billion of parameters, you can know how smart the model is, or you can expect it to perform better. Also, you can expect it to be slower, right? So if you have a powerful machine, maybe you can run a 27 billion parameters model very quickly, okay? But if you have a low-end machine, you may need to run the most basic models, right? And that directly affects how intelligent it is. So give it a try. Worst case scenario, you just need to delete the model you downloaded. But this is the overall idea of Ollama. The most important part is how to know what models to install and what you can run. It's pretty much experimentation, right? You can Google around some models. In the GitHub page, I also have some explanation about this. Like, I'm not an expert on this. I'm just giving you my advice to get you started. But you can Google about this and learn more about this, and hopefully you will find this useful. Even if you don't end up using this plugin, having your models running in your machine is kind of cool, at least for me. So that's all for this second video. I will move now to the third one, menus and demo.